Hello everyone, it's Dianne at Minerva. I hope you're all having a super week, and today I'm excited to share with you the range of new autumn patterns by NewLook. So there is a lovely range to choose from today. I'm going to go through all of them with you and also suggest a few fabrics that we have here at Minerva to give you a little bit of inspiration. So let's get started with our first pattern. First of all, we have pattern number 6807. Now this one is a full-length evening gown. You have two options to choose from, as you'll be able to see from the images. So first of all, we can opt for a square neck, long puff sleeves. We can go for a purchased flower at the shoulder or maybe some other trim, whatever you're interested in. We have an extensive range here at Minerva and you can search for whatever kind of theme you like if you're making a specially themed dress. We also have a princess themed bodice, and these dresses are both down to the floor, so really elegant, perfect for the party season around Christmas and New Year. You can also opt to go for the view with the V-neck, and this one has bodice darts. Then we have a gathered and flared to the elbow sleeve in this one, so a little different, and we can also opt for a contrast skirt. Now fabrics we can use for this are silk, satin, maybe a velvet, a brocade would work really well, or if you're wanting something a little more simple, go for a cotton blend. Now the sizing is 8 through to 18, and this is an averageability pattern. Next, we have a lovely suit effect with this jacket, dress and belt. So it's 6809. Now here, both the jacket, so it's a longer line jacket, and dress have princess seams. They're both lined. We also have this lovely belt with top stitching details. There are long sleeves to the jacket with a slit and a slit at the back of the dress, and it also has a back zip fastener. Now I think this is really beautiful, especially together. And as you can see from the images, if you go for a fabric with a bit of print and sheen, it takes it more into evening wear, a special occasion wear. And if you use more plain, subdued fabrics, it's perfect for smart workwear. So a really lovely combination here, especially if you're looking for something really structured. Now fabrics, you can go for a lightweight tweed or maybe a gabardine. Also a wool crepe or a lightweight knit fabric. Sizing is 8 through to 20, and again I would put this as average ability. We do have those princess seams and the zip to tackle, so not really one for a beginner, but perfect for improving your skills. If you're looking for a coat, maybe pattern number 6810 is the one for you. Now this particular coat can be worn long down to the ankle or knee length. So this particular one is a swing coat. It has these bat wing sleeves with a turn up cuff, and then we also have a larger dramatic notched collar. It has a tie belt, so you can wear it with or without this, so that's entirely up to you and your styling. And I think this would look beautiful in a range of coating fabrics. So you could go for a wool, maybe a synthetic wool such as a vegan wool if pure wool is not your thing. Also mohair or alpaca, and maybe a wool velour. So we have a lovely range of coating fabrics here at Minerva, both man-made and natural fibres. So whatever thing you're actually looking for, there really is something for everyone. So I'm going to list a few so you can take a little look, but do use our search engine to look for exactly what you need. It's really easy to use and you can search by fabric type, colour, weight and so on. So the coat is meant to be oversized. We also have patch pockets with flaps, and there are shoulder pads to give it that little bit of structure. Sizing is S to XL, and it's for averageability. Here we have another coat or jacket. This one is pattern number 6811. So we have a relaxed fit hooded coat or jacket. So 3 lengths to choose from, and also you can play around with the details on this one depending on what fabrics you choose, the linings and the details that you opt for. So view A has side seam pockets and also a contrast fabric lining. There is also a fold over braid trim on this one. Views B and C are cut from reversible fabrics. View B has patch pockets and view C has side seam pockets. Sizing is XS to XL. Fabrics, you could go for a whole range here. Wool, flannel, taffeta, fleece. So you can really mix it up and play around, and this is one that I think that you can make again and again. You have that option of different styles at different lengths, and it's quite a relaxed casual fit coat. Next up we have pattern number 6812. So this particular pattern is a jacket but then a waistcoat or vest, whichever you like to call it, and this one can be worn with a zip up the front on either the jacket or the waistcoat, or you can add buttons, so you can mix and match if you're wearing them together. Now there are also options for the pockets, so A and B have inseam pockets, and C and D views have patch pockets with a flap, and then there are studs and adjustable tabs. So a few details to play around with, whether you keep it uniform to wear them together or make them in contrasting fabrics and wear them as separates. So again, it's really versatile and perfect for the autumn months because you can really layer up and play around with both of these garments. Now the sizing is 10 to 22. Again, I would put this as an average ability pattern. Now with fabrics, you could play around with a faux leather or a faux suede, a corduroy, all those fabrics that are in this autumn. Go for something cozy like a wool blend or maybe a tweed. It could also be made up in a ponte. So lots of options to choose from with this one, and I think a really cozy make for the autumn months. If you're looking for a skirt, then pattern number 6813 is a perfect choice for something a little different. Here we have a slim fitting wrap skirt in 2 lengths, so we can go for mid-calf or ankle length. Both options have that lovely tulip style to the front with a top stitch narrow hem. We also have side seam pockets, and it fastens with a button at the front side, gently gathered into a waistband. So a lovely slim fitting smart skirt if you're looking for something a little bit different, and you could really dress this up with the fabrics that you choose. So you can go for a linen or a gabardine if you want something heavier. Maybe go for a sateen if you want something for evening wear. A lightweight flannel, a chamoose, lots of options with this one. So depending on the look you're going for will really influence your fabric choices. Sizing is S to XL, and I would put this as an easy pattern. So a few details, but not so much that you can't have a go at this if you're just starting out on your sewing journey. Now for some casual wear with pattern number 6814, as we have the choice of 2 tops, 2 knit tops, and also the trousers. So the top, we have a funnel neck, long sleeve, boxy top with drop shoulders and seaming details with top stitching. And then we have a wide round neck top, and this has just a simple turn up to the bottom of the hem. Now both of these tops are really relaxed and casual and a little oversized. Then we can also go for the trousers, which have a casing for an elastic and front ties. The trousers can be made in a woven, but the tops are for stretch knits only. The sizing is 8 to 18, and I would put this as an easy ability pattern. Fabrics to go for are stretch knits such as sweater fabrics, jersey, maybe a bamboo jersey. You could go for a woven fabric such as a chambray, a cotton, or maybe a linen for the trousers. So a lovely selection here and a nice loungewear set, I feel. Another good value pattern is pattern number 6815. Here we have a pattern which is for stretch knits only. So we have the option of making the tops with either the high neck or just the round neck. Both have long sleeves, and then we have the pull-on skirt in 2 lengths. So lovely for the autumn. I think this can look really smart while also being really comfy. So we have an elasticated waist skirt, and as I said, the top, you can make that with a higher neck, so more of a crew neck look, or just a plain simple round neck. So the way that you style this up and the fabrics that you choose can make this look really different. I also like the option of doing the cuffed sleeve. So I've made this kind of top before with the sleeve that goes into a deep cuff, and that can really elevate the look of a simple sweater top. So that's just something to think about, whether you want it plain or more for an evening going out, something like that. So these are choices to bear in mind when you're choosing your details and your fabric, because we can make this in a sweater knit or a jersey, a bamboo, a double rib, something like that. But you could also make it in a stretch velvet with the cuffed sleeve, and that would look really nice with some lovely wide leg trousers for evening wear. So lots of options, and also the skirt made in a longer length with some boots for the autumn months, and maybe a nice print or a nice velvet print would look really super. Wear it together and it can look like a dress. So lots of options, and I really do like this pattern, as you can tell. So the sizing is 10 to 22, so a good size range there, and of course it's easy, so it's one that most people can have a go at. A lovely pattern and really good value, I feel. Now with pattern number 6817, we have a loose, open front, draped jacket or waistcoat or vest. Now we also have some fitted trousers with this pattern, so another one that gives you a little bit extra for your money. We do need to be choosing lightweight fabrics for that jacket or vest to maintain that drape at the front there. So as you can see with the details on the pictures, anything heavier would probably really interfere with that drape effect that you have going on right there. So the sizing for this particular pattern is 10 to 22. The jacket and vest are open front, but they do have back darts. And the fitted straight leg trousers do have side seam pockets and a front fly closure. So fabrics, we could go for a lightweight denim, a lightweight linen, or a lightweight wool flannel. So here you can mix up your fabrics and your colours, your bold, your prints and your solids, or keep it all the same if you want it to look like more of a cohesive, smart look. This next pattern, 6818, has something for the whole family. So here we have a knit hoodie, pull-on trousers, and also a knit dress. So these are for stretch knits only. And I do feel the cover art doesn't really do it justice on this one. I feel this styling looks a little bit like hospital scrubs. So I'm sure with your own fabrics, these will look much better. And if you look at the line drawings that are coming up, I feel this just changes the look entirely just by looking at the line drawings. So fabric choices are everything. So with the hoodie and with the dress, we have that kangaroo pocket, and we also have a drawstring. We can also add a plique, and there is purchased trim on both of these. Then we have these pull-on trousers with an elasticated waist, and then we have hem variations. So I really feel that you can get some value out of this pattern by using it for your loved ones, your partner. It's one that we can use again and again. And as I said, change up the fabrics and you'll have a new look every time. Sizing is XS to XL. I feel this is easy to averageability. I think it's quite a simple make. If you add in that purchased trim and a plique, you're adding in that little bit of extra detail. So whether you choose to do that will depend on your skill level. Go for stretch knits only, such as fleece, double knits, sweater knits, maybe try a velour. Now pattern number 6819 is a girl's coat. So the age range on this one is 7 to 14, and it's a relaxed fit lined coat. It can be made with a hood or an exaggerated shawl collar. It's above knee length, and one view has a button closure. So that's view A with the button closure at the front. So we have a drop shoulder, a turn back cuff, a really cosy coat for the young girls that you are making for in your family. So I think this is a really smart, quite a traditional looking coat, but I really like this one. Now we also have those patch pockets, but you could leave those off if you want to omit this particular detail. Now fabrics, you could go for a wool blend, a tweed, maybe try a flannel. If you're making this for a special event, you could go for a satin. So lots of fabric options, and again, maybe consult with the person that you're making for. Maybe this could make a really lovely gift for the coming season. Now finally, we have a children's loungewear set. This is pattern number 6820. We have 5 pieces in this pattern, so it's really good value for money. We have that short sleeve v-neck t-shirt, a little round neck vest, some shorts, some pull-on trousers, and also a unisex robe. So this is brilliant for the younger members of your family, and some lovely pieces here that we can mix and match, use as loungewear or nightwear. Some of these pieces I feel could also be used for the daytime, such as the vest tops and the t-shirts. You'll get lots of value for money out of this pattern. So the sizing on this one is 3 to 8, and of course it's suitable for boys and girls. So a really lovely little pattern. So fabrics, go for jerseys or lightweight sweater knits for the tops, the t-shirt, the vests. The robe can be made up in a fleece or a lightweight sweater knit, and the trousers can be made in a woven, so go for a chambray or a cotton blend or a flannel, something like this. I think this is another pattern that would be great for some Christmas gift making, or if you know somebody who loves to sew, maybe this pattern, especially if they have a young family, would be lovely to put together with some fabrics and notions for presents for the coming season. So a really lovely pattern. Now, I hope you've enjoyed having a look through those patterns with me today. I'm sure you'll find something that you love. Remember to take a look at the Minerva Craft Club to get 10% off all your orders for a year. You can find everything you need here at Minerva, so do check out the search engine. Search by colour, fabric type, theme. We have something for everyone. I'm sure you'll find lots of fabrics and notions to get you started. That's all from me for today, but I hope to be back soon with more sewing inspiration for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.